Today I'm reviewing the Easy Home Single Drug Test Screening. I am an Amazon associate, so I will earn from qualifying purchases. This is a test I just performed, and it's actually pretty easy to use. You get results in 5 minutes, and then it shows you how to get the results. It's a 1-2 step process, 2 or 3, and then you get the readings at the end. Alright, so I'm just going to open this up. Step 1 is, of course, open this up, take this out, take this off, and drop in here for dip in urine for 10 seconds. Alright, so we got 10 seconds. We're going to take it out. We're going to stick it back in here, and then we're going to wait. So the test should be performed at a room temperature of 65 to 86 Fahrenheit. Remove the test from the full pouch by tearing the pouch. Use it as soon as possible. Hold one side of the device with one hand and use the other one to pull the cap and expose the absorbent end. Immerse the absorbent end into the urine specimen for approximately 10 seconds. Make sure that the urine level is not above the marked line printed on the front of the device. Recap the device after 10 seconds. Lay it on a clean, dry, non-absorbent surface and read the results in 5 minutes. Do not read after 5 minutes. So it's been approximately 5 minutes, and I'm going to read it. And then we also have what the results would be on that. Now, my result is, of course, this, because I do, and I am preliminary positive, because I do partake. But you do have other readings in here, and it works really well, really easy. In less than 5 minutes, you're going to have results by this simple 3-step drug screening test at home. What I do like about this test, it's quick and easy and fairly simple. You know, anybody can do this. Heck, I can do it in the car. But it gives me peace of mind to know exactly where I'm at. And, I mean, I know I am positive, so I'd have to do something to avoid, you know, if I had a test. But at least I know. You know, it shows right here, shows right there, and that's what I am right there. And that's showing that right there. So those are the readings, and that, of course, is true. I have not gotten any negative false readings, so it's really important that I know where I stand, and that is today, and maybe tomorrow will be different, but I don't think so. I think it takes about 7 days to get out of your system, depending on how much you use. This is a test I just performed, and it's actually pretty easy to use. You get results in 5 minutes. And then it shows you how to get the results. It's a 1-2 step process, 2 or 3, and then you get the readings at the end.